How to get Minecraft for free on PS4. In this video, I will show you how can you easily get the application Minecraft in PS4. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, when you open your PS4 and type for Minecraft, you will see this option and the price of game is given at the top left corner. Now, you are not able to download it for free, but while you download the Minecraft application for the first time in your device, you will see the option of free trial. Simply click on it and then provide your payment details. Once you provide your payment detail, you will be able to play Minecraft for a few days for free, and after the trial period is finished, you have to pay certain amount of money. So that's it. That is how easily you can get Minecraft for free on PS4. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.